Okra and potatoes are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, can lower blood sugar and risk of heart disease. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new recipe of okra and potatoes. First of all, add in some oil, heat it, and add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a small onion, finely chopped or roughly chopped, whatever you like. Saute it well until it turns translucent. This is a super healthy recipe and will definitely aid in weight loss. Now you will add some chopped okra, tomato, ginger and garlic, very finely chopped. Add in everything together to bring in all the flavors together: ginger, garlic, tomatoes and okra, and it is going to taste super delicious. Now I'm adding chopped potatoes. So this is around 200 grams of okra, a big sized potato, a small tomato, and I'm adding here turmeric powder and salt, half teaspoon each, salt as per the taste. I used around 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and half inch of ginger. Added in half teaspoon of garam masala and red chili powder, 1/3 teaspoon, or as per the taste you want. If you want it spicy, you can add it more. Mix it really well. It is so colorful and so fragrant. Cover it and let it cook for around 5 minutes. Stir it and add in some water, around half cup. Add in kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon. Now add in chaat masala, around 1/3 teaspoon. It provides a really good flavor to the vegetable. Mix it well. To cook okra, many people use a lot of oil, so adding a lot of oil is not healthy, so I'm adding in a little water. The taste remains the same. Even water provides more flavors as everything mixes up together properly. Mix it well. Please make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Cover it and let it cook for around 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Mix it well. You have to cook it until the potatoes are nicely done. They're almost done, but we need it to be very soft. So cook it for another 5 minutes on low flame. Now it is almost done and I am mashing the potatoes a little bit. Added in chopped coriander. Cooked it for another 2 minutes and now it is done. Mix it really well. Add in a little more coriander for freshness and good flavors. Although okra is loaded with a lot of fiber, magnesium, potassium and vitamins, but when you eat okra alone, it might cause bloating and gas and a disturbed stomach. So adding potatoes to okra will help you eat it in a better way. Also, the starch in potatoes acts as a probiotic, which is good for your digestion. So the combination of okra and potatoes gives you a feeling of fullness and satisfaction after eating a meal, slowing down the emptying of the stomach, which can help you feel fuller for longer. You can enjoy this with chapati or rice. I ate it with mint yogurt, chapatis and some lentil soup for protein. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.